Today we're on a weird location. We're on Arena Stem here in New Jersey. I'm not a mall rat, but I'm gonna be racing Mini 4-wheel drive here today, hosted by Team Portal. So let's go. What up guys, it's your boy Cielshock from CTUSA Mini4wd Drive Racing Squad. I'm a teacher here in Noobworx, and before I start my video I want to say shout out to High Speed Matrixx Oil and High Speed Matrixx Power Cleaner. High Speed Matrixx Oil, you can use it as a commutator drop, you can use it for your break-in, you can also use it for your rollers and your gears. Also, the Matrixx Power Cleaner, you can use it cleaning all your old motors. It will remove all those gunks, all your dirty debris on your motor, and it will be good as new. And also, I want to say shout out to the North Mini4wd Drive Racing Team. Their home base is at the Philippines. It's in the Brickyard Vertice in Quezon City. I want to say shout out all the Tito's uncles and aunts over there racing. They said there's a bunch of Tito's racing over there, but shout out to you all, especially to James Rivera. Shout out to you, brother, and your team. More power, keep on racing, and always race humble. And now for today's video, I went by myself, solo, drive all the way to Connecticut to New Jersey to race at Arena Stem, Paramus, New Jersey, USA. And there's an event there. It was hosted by Portal Tuners. Shout out to you all, Portal Tuners, for a very successful event. Guys from Maryland went over there. People from Philadelphia, obviously the locals, New Jersey was there. It was a very successful event. But this specific video, the track layout is very amazing. It's more speed than technical. But it looks easy, but you'll see how there are some critical points over there. I mean, it will look easy in your naked eye, but it's tricky because there are some critical stuff, as I've said. Shout out to Joshua by Portal Tuners for creating a very good track layout. And I'm not gonna make you guys wait any longer. This is the video. Hopefully you guys like it. As I always say, we learn from you, learn from us. Always race humble. Don't forget to hit a like, notification bell. Here we go. Peace. Well, they have a bunch of stuff here. They have RC cars. They have all the robotics and shit. Some crawlers out there. Off-road. They have birthday parties over here. And here's the Mini 4-wheel drive section. Outcast Mini 4-wheel drive is really here, but here's the Portal Tuners. Here's our marshal of the day, the president, Arnell, Portal Tuners. What up?
What's up?
So what categories we have today?
Tune class, VMAX, and open.
Open class. That's Arnell. And that's the self-proclaimed vice president, Jamil. They call him EJ. He's quite famous now. You can follow him at Limitless at IG. And then you got Josh and Maynard, the time attack champion right there.
You can follow me.
The TT champion.
The TT champion. So they're hosting today. We drove all the way to from Connecticut because they invited me. Once they're done with the track layout, we're gonna start analyzing it as we usually do. So we're gonna analyze the track layout since Josh don't want to explain it to you guys. This is the starting line, and then we're going to have a curve right here. Then we have like a U-turn curve right here, and then when you gain a lot of speed, you're gonna end up going with a slope. So this one looks easy, but it's critical because when your car is like turning really quick, especially if your rollers are close to the body of the car, it will be out of balance. When your brake is not, not perfect or not close to perfect or stellar, you're gonna be like your car will be twisting, or when you have that impact going from the curve, your car will not be straight into land right here, even though there's like a 3 straight recoveries right here. So braking will be very, very major thing when racing this track layout. And also your long tail and small tail setup. You have a 20-degree bank over there. And then there's a rainbow lane changer, so you don't have to worry about the traditional lane changer. And then it goes down here, another tabletop. And then you're gonna get a lot of air and speed over there. Another tabletop from the curve. And then once you get here, another table down and another table down. In my opinion, this one's also critical because there's only one straight before the curve. But again, your braking will come in play and what kind of motor you use. And then you go back to the starting line, and then obviously you gain more speed, and you go end up here. This one is a very interesting layout. Hopefully you guys like it. And let's see. We have Tune Class, VMAX, and Open Class later. Wish me luck. Oh, ito, panita kayo sa pagkain. Portal Tuners. Now we're racing Tune Class. I have 3 of my cars. I got Mystic Super 1. I got Doc Door, my Super 2, and my new build Aqua MA chassis. Wish us luck. The system here in Portal Tuners is ticketing system. So you have basically 3 lives, and people falling in line start the race. So that's a different system that we're used to. Good luck to us.
May pang-puncher pa talaga si Arnel eh.
Favorite number, maybe. I hope the door's off there. No, right there. Ready? Agad. So we're using my MA. I'm racing against this guy. I'm scared of him. I'm James. Number 3.
Kahit ano sa akin. Ano ako nito niya.
Number 2, kabit ako eh. Kabit ako eh.
Number 1.
O, 2 nga. Pre, pabukas.
Ready?
2. Habulin mo yan. Habulin mo si Jamil.
Let's go.
Tibak. Halo, Jamil. Hindi ko na nasundan. Umarang yung Marsan. Okay, Doc Blur. Hopefully we'll make it.
Yan na.
Okay,
Paboritong photo eh.
ang lakas ni Josh eh. Ano na? Pipit. Oo, yan.
Ready?
Ay! Nabutan! Stay down! Ngasok din. Ayun, Marshall. Oh. Poging Marshall. 1. 1.
2.
One ako. Kabutas mo.
Ready.
Ay, napitik ang pukin ng inang Super 1. Wala. Lakas ni JR! Woo! Stolen!
Nakalaban.
Mabagal to, iniwan nga ni Jamil to eh. Aim. Lagi na lang ganun ang panalo ko kung natitira. Ang bagal kasi. Last lap. Ako. I have 3 of my cars in. 1, 2, 3. That one doesn't have a video because I didn't get a catch up, but just 2. Hopefully this one wins because I'm trying to make it win. Oh, they're all fast. Out. Now he's gonna be parked. But this crowd. We got second right here. Out. We have 1 car left. Going to the quarters. We made it to the quarters,
Yeah, gusto ko na sa box.
but we're racing against
Putik, dalawa pa
the fast of the fastest. And whoever wins go to the finals. Wish me luck, guys.
Ito, 1.
So we're done. That's it for Tune class. We made it to the semis, but done. Class finals.
Pwede magbalik ng ano?
Ayun na naman, suking-suki. Mason.
Pwede gago.
Anong chances mo?
Super 2.
Run by what motor?
Meow, 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 meow.
What motor?
Torque tune.
Torque dash? And then we got Jamil from Portal.
Super 2. Hyper torque.
Hyper Torque. And who's the other one? Shout out mo yung team mo.
Shout out to my boys right there. Outcast.
Outcast. What's your motor? Torque Tune. Everybody rocking Torque Tune motor? You guys are pussy.
Precision, my bad. I forgot. Precision this time.
Precision. Kala ko hack 2 eh. Alright, let's go. You guys better know Hadouken, right? Walang e-embang ha. Kinik out nyo ako eh. Mason! Bisa mo siya. Sakto, 3 ibang team. Go Jamil. Winner! Puro let's go lang nakuha na ko. Okay, re-race for second and third. Hadouken! Last lap! Okay! Ang nagwagi! Winner! Jamil again, defending champion. Portal Tuners! Second, sino second? Mason?
Mason second.
Mason, ano masasabi mo?
Sabi ko lang. Speechless. Wala. Yung pink pinakapasok.
Gun Blaster.
Second, not bad.
Ayun pala eh. Thank you. Oh.
Ito dapat papasok eh.
Third place. Ano pangalan ng team? Precision. Precision Hack 2 ah.
Akala ko
Alright, let's go guys. That's the winner.